Imagine a flying colossus so massive it can swallow 3 battle tanks whole, or carry an entire passenger plane tucked inside its belly. That's the Antonov AN-124 Ruslan, a true legend of the skies born from Soviet engineering ambition. Rising 7 stories high with wings that stretch wider than a football pitch, this airborne giant first roared into the air in 1982, built to move the heaviest, bulkiest loads the world could throw at it. From hauling power plant generators to remote deserts, ferrying emergency supplies to disaster zones, or even transporting spacecraft components across continents, nothing is too big or too far for the Ruslan. With its jaw-dropping nose ramp that folds open like a metal mouth and 8-wheel landing gear that grips runways like a beast, it ruled as the king of heavy lifters, until its even more enormous sibling, the AN-225, took the crown before being lost in 2022. Today, the AN-124 still reigns supreme as the largest cargo plane in active service, proving that when size and strength matter most, nothing else comes close.